Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Tacklife Digital Tyre Inflator ACP1B. It is an air compressor pump, 12 voltage tire pump with unique continuous inflation function, larger backlight display LED light and 3 nozzle adapters and extra fuse at 150 psi, 35 liters per minute, fast inflating. With their improved gear pump can Tacklife ACP1B inflate the P195/65R 15 car tire or 13 inch tire from 0 to 35 psi within 2.5 minutes. This, I think, is fast, more effective and time-saving than that is awesome. Up to 150 psi preset pressure for multiple vehicles. It is so easy to use that the tire pressure that you want with this air compressor pump and press the power button. Then no further action is required. Tyre Inflator will shut off automatically when the preset tire pressure value is reached. This compressor pump has a backlit digital display which is calibrated accurately with their ANSI B40.1 international accuracy standards. It is plus minus 1.5%. You can precisely control the required pressure with 4 modes: PSI, bar, kilopascal, and kilogram per square centimeter. The 10 feet long power cord and the 2.5 feet air hose are neatly packed in the tire pump. Total 12.5 feet is long enough to all tires of cars, bikes, motorcycles, SUVs, ATV and trucks. It also comes with different tips for sports equipment and inflatable adapters. This Tacklife ACP1B Tyre Inflator is equipped with 3 bright LED lights, convenient for your use in the dark, and 2 red LED lights can be used as the warning light to remind the coming cars, help you re-inflate the tire or make quick repairs on a dark, lonely country road. The specifications are strong performance and gorgeous appearance design. This will be my best choice. Rated voltage is DC 20 volt. Maximum current is 10 ampere. Rated power is 120 watt. Maximum pressure is 150 psi. 4 display units: PSI, bar, KPa and Kg/cm square. Airflow 35 liters per minute. Inflation time: quickly top up a standard 15-inch tire in only 2 until 3 minutes. Maximum continuous operating time is 2 hours. This is long enough for so many tires. Tube length 70 centimeters, wire length 3 meters. 3-mode LED light, white light, red and white SOS can be used to inflate at night as well as emergency situation. Special cooling system provides strong sustainability for more stable inflation. The preset function, anti-pressure compensation plus 1 psi, copper air nozzle and electroplating 2-gun color, high-end, high air tightens. Larger dial with LCD display, clear high-end progress display. It can be seen the inflatable progress bar. Memory function. It can remember the last set of the target tire pressure. Return switch. No more needs to turn off the switch after the Tyre Inflator automatically shuts off or before start the Tyre Inflator. Press the switch button to make the next use. It can also be stopped manually. Tacklife ACP1B Tyre Inflator is stable, safe and strong. The noise is low, compact size and strong applicability to help you get the job done. In this box, it contains one inflator, Tyre Inflator of course, 4 nozzle adapters can be used to shredder and press the valve, 1 user manual in different languages, a warranty card, a backup fuse, and a nylon bag. And as you can see, you do not need a car as well. You can have a function with this device by using a Kickstarter device too. For example, this Kickstarter device has a 12-volt plug, so we can run this pump with an external power supply by using a power pack. The power pack is not included in this delivery, but I have still one. So I am showing you how to use it. Only push on top of the starter thing, the power pack. You have to switch on the light, for example, and then get in position, switch the plugs inside, and then you can see how to set the pressure, and that is easy. You can see now we are setting the pressure of plus and minus, and now you can inflate it by using the power button. Let's check this by volleyball. We have the special nozzle adapter on top, and now we have to get in the program style for how much pressure we will get inside. But first we will enter with the nozzle adapter into the ball. Easy going, push it in position, and then you can see there's no pressure in. Now we are setting the pressure. The pressure is 0.3, 0.4, and then we only have to do is push on the power button, and then it will inflate the ball immediately. Here you can see I can stop it by pumping if I am pushing on the power button at the second time, and if this is enough, good job. Now you can remove the nozzle adapter out of the ball, and the ball is ready to play again. That's the easy way it is. We are going to get a little bit more or a little bit less as you like for this. If the power supply is on, you can see you can make a LED flash in different options. This is an extra nice feature too. I think it's good for emergency. Really nice. I like it too. Let's go to a car. Now plug the 12-volt plug into cigarette lighter socket. There it is. At the Audi A1 Sportsback, it's in the middle side. Now we have to start not the car engine. You only have to switch on the ignition. It is better to start the engine because of some power problems. But I'm only switch the ignition on, and there we are. We have energy in this device. Nice and easy, as you can see. Now we are going to inflate something. If you are finished with your work, don't forget to shut off the car or shut off the ignition. And after this, remove the plug. Job's done. Now we are ready, but let's head back to the inflating action. So go to a car, a tire, there it is. You have at every car tire a valve. This valve contains a cover. This cover you have to remove first, and then connect the air nozzle or the air nose nozzle tightly with the tire. Easy going. And then you can see the device is showing you the actual pressure inside your tire. Nice and easy. In this case, it's 1.8 bar. Nice, good job. Now we have to program preset your desired pressure. Let's do the 2.30 bar. This is okay. And then your only thing to do is press the power button to start inflating. The air compressor will automatically shut off. So, as you can see, we are gaining the pressure. There it is, automatically shut off. This is nice. Easy, really easy. Now it's 2.3 bar, for example, and then we have inflated our tire immediately. And this was only, I think, 20 seconds. And that it is. Now remove the air hose nozzle easily from the tire by rotating it left turn. Reassemble the cover again and job's done. You're ready for another mile with this ready inflated car tires again. That it is. Now, as shown at the car tire, it was a shredder valve, but now I will show you that it is have a function with an Dunlop valve too, in case of inflating bicycle tire. So there it is. You can see I used the nozzle adapter for it, and then I hold it a little bit in position, and I am pushing it by using this nozzle adapter on top by rotating it in position. Good job. This is now the nozzle adapter, and now it's on top of the Dunlop valve, and you can see there's no much pressure inside. But I will show you. You can use this strong pump for this car tire too. Let's do this. We are starting, and you can see it is inflating. So that it is. I showed you how to use it on shredder and Dunlop valves too. Shredder is for cars tire, and for example a bicycle too. But in this case, I showed you it is possible to use on standard Dunlop valve too. You only have to do this by manual. So that it is. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me. Give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.